Hello and welcome to ALeePlanning. Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit the name tags from my shop inside of Canva. I've done a video like this previously. This one is pretty much going to be the same. It's just going to be easier to save and print later. So let's get started. So once you purchase, you will receive a PDF file that has a link to the ClassRoom name tag. It will bring you to a screen like this. So you'll click Use Template. All the graphics and clip art is locked, but you're able to edit the text. You can keep the font as is or change it by clicking the font and choosing your font of choice. So to edit the name, simply click inside of the text and type in the name. And I'm just going to go ahead and change all of these. So once you're done making the changes, you'll just go to the top and change the file name. And then you'll click Share, Download, and then you'll click the PDF format for the best quality. And also I forgot to show you how to duplicate the pages. So you will just go back and you'll click the duplicate button, and that will duplicate the pages for you. So that's it. I hope this helps. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you be a part of my growing family. Have a great day.